Hey foodies, Bree here from Rick's Review Hub. Get ready to transform your kitchen with the GE Profile Smart Oven with No Preheat, a countertop game changer that's all about speed and versatility. Curious if this sleek appliance lives up to the hype? Stick around and check the Amazon link in the description for the best deal. Let's dive in. First, let's break down the features. This 1,800-watt smart oven boasts 11 cooking modes, including air fry, toast, bake, broil, roast, pizza, and reheat, all powered by Zero Preheat Technology, so you can start cooking instantly. It reaches up to 500 degrees, perfect for crispy pizzas or juicy roasts. The spacious interior fits a 12-inch pizza or a 13 by 9-inch baking sheet. It's Wi-Fi connected, letting you control settings and access guided recipes via the SmartHQ app. Plus, it comes with a wire rack, air fry basket, baking pan, and sheet rack, all in a stylish carbon black finish with a one-touch high-rise door. Now the pros, this oven is a time saver. I air-fried chicken wings to crispy perfection in 12 minutes and baked a pizza with a golden crust in under 15. No preheating needed. The SmartHQ app is super handy, offering step-by-step recipes like lemon ginger chicken that turned out amazing. The large viewing window and bright interior light make monitoring food easy, and the high-rise door keeps things safe and accessible. At around $450, it's a great value for a smart, multifunction oven that looks stunning on any counter. But there are cons. The no preheat feature doesn't always deliver consistent results. Some dishes, like Brussels sprouts, needed extra time to cook through. Cleaning can be a hassle, as the interior isn't nonstick and grease splatters stick. Some users report quality issues, like loose parts from shipping, so check yours carefully. The app's voice control is cool, but feels gimmicky if you're not into smart tech. I recommend the GE Profile Smart Oven for busy home cooks who want a versatile, no-fuss appliance for air frying, baking, or roasting. It's ideal for small kitchens or as a second oven for holiday meals. But if you need pinpoint precision or don't use smart features, a simpler model might do. This one's a solid pick for most, though. Ready to cook smarter? Click the link in the description to grab the GE Profile Smart Oven on Amazon for the best pricing and special promotions through Rick's Review Hub. Your support keeps these reviews coming. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen gear reviews. Thanks for watching. Let's keep the kitchen sizzling.